Yeah, it's interesting. Now we're in a lull, and you see some sunshine coming through clouds in the distance over the Pacific. But the past hour, we have experienced really the first strong, as strong for what we may experience this morning, bands coming in. We're going to get more intense as the day progresses. But look at the video of some of the rain coming into Hilo. Pretty good. I'd say at this point, we probably got an inch already this morning, and that is just going to compound the issues from Hurricane Lala last weekend, which was just devastating to this part of the Big Island. So many people still out of power. In fact, over 6,000 customers. There are linemen, electrical crews moving up and down these areas, still trying to repair. The hotel we're in, the elevators don't work because of damage to the electrical from all the water last week. 3 to 4 feet of water falling, and at that high elevation, right? It's all got to come down and go somewhere. It exploded rivers and streams. But the rain we're experiencing here this morning will just continue into the afternoon and the evening. In some pockets, we could see over a foot. That is not out of the question. All of this with a train of tropical storms and hurricanes coming in the past month here to the Hawaiian Islands because of El Nino. And you may say to yourself, well, what does El Nino really mean? And why do we talk about it so much this season in the Pacific and specifically with the Hawaiian Islands? Maybe this will help. Watch. The Hawaiian Islands are famous for having some of the most diverse weather on Earth. In just a few miles, you can go from tropical rainforest to dry desert. Now, with El Nino developing across the Pacific, scientists are watching closely to see how those unique climates could be affected.
Because the Hawaiian Islands are so mountainous, the mountains interact with the wind flow, and that's what drives the weather.
Here on Maui, it's one of nature's greatest weather laboratories. In less than an hour's drive, you can experience heavy tropical rain, sunshine, cool mountain air, and dry desert conditions, all on the same island. Trade winds push most air toward the mountains, where it rises, cools, and condenses into clouds and rain. The windward slopes receive abundant rainfall, feeding lush rainforests and waterfalls. Some areas receive well over 300 inches of rain each year, while others see less than 15.
So when that moist easterly flow runs into the mountain, it goes up the mountain and then falls back down as rain. So the east side of the mountains, the windward side, are the rainy parts of Hawaii and all of the islands.
Now add El Nino into the equation. As ocean temperatures warm across the central and eastern Pacific, atmospheric circulation shifts. Scientists across the world emphasize that every El Nino behaves a little differently. But understanding Hawaii's complex terrain helps explain why even subtle shifts in the Pacific can produce noticeable impacts across the islands. And back here live in Hilo, the entire planet is connected as far as the atmosphere. And that is what is so fascinating. And you can't study Hawaii enough with all these ecosystems. It really is a resource to understand how all of this comes together. Meanwhile, we wait for more of these outer bands to come in from this tropical storm. Winds are kicking up a little bit, and we'll see more rain throughout the day.